Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can open and close, I guess, the house or doors or the garage doors of it in Brookhaven without you having to open it. I think it just works for the garage. So as you can see, there is a button that you have to click if you want to open up the garage door. But you can actually manually do it by pressing this door. As you can see, it is opened. And then you can close it again without you having to go there. There's also this one's for just windows and blinds, I guess. It's just for blinds. So you can open and close it for privacy. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!